If you want to steal your girlfriend's heart and become her hero, there are a few key things you can do. First, boost her ego by giving her lots of praise, focusing on her inner qualities rather than just her appearance. Show her that you notice the little things, like her new outfit or haircut. Find ways to make her day brighter, whether it's bringing her lunch or helping her clean up. Embrace her passions and be her biggest fan, actively listening and supporting her ambitions. Remain curious about her life and ask personal questions to show your genuine interest. Reach out to her regularly to let her know she's on your mind. Display affection and physical touch in a tasteful way, like holding her hand or placing your hand on her knee. When she comes to you for support, be fully present and attentive. Act courteously and thoughtfully towards her, showing respect in your words and actions. Lastly, get to know what she likes and cater to her preferences. By doing these things, you can melt her heart and become the best partner she could ask for.